Is keto sustainable as a lifestyle? I touched on that earlier. It's one of those things that once you get into it for several years, you've learned all the tricks. You've learned all how to handle different situations. So from that perspective, I say yes. Is it sustainable long-term health-wise?
Yeah. Sorry, I thought you were still going. Yes, it's sustainable long-term health-wise, absolutely. If you have any kind of disease, taking any kind of medications, you need to consult with the doctor before starting keto or any new fitness or exercise program. But yeah, there's so much more research coming out. We're going to be attending a Metabolic Health Summit here at the end of the year, and I know that we'll come back just brains full of so much great information. So that's an example of a Sunday that we will not be live. I believe that's February 2nd, because we'll be on a flight back from Metabolic Health Summit that evening. So we go to these conferences to learn about questions like this. Is keto sustainable as a lifestyle? Is it healthy over the long term? And we are confident that it is. That's why we've chosen keto as a lifestyle. And as the years pass, there'll be more research that comes out. But we talked to the people that we met last year when we went to Low Carb USA were doctors in clinical practice, not doing the research, but sharing. We heard so many stories of people's lives just being transformed.
Yeah.
Disease being eradicated, having a whole new look and outlook on life.